Okay, so I'm going to talk you through the first task of the Internet assessment. I have opened up the assessment and I have opened it as a Google document, so it's all prepared here for me. I need to complete the table, which is listed below, and I need to fill in the three columns. So the first column says the type of information, and then I need to describe in my own words, for example, what a supplier price is. And then I need to do a screenshot to prove that I do know what a supplier price is. So the first step in this process is to use the Internet book. I'm looking at page 29 and the type of information is firstly supplier prices, supplier timetables, opening hours, and I'm going to select my own three. So for example, I might do supplier bookings. I might do weather reports, and although I have said here do not use staff education or supplier availability, because I'm using it, you can't use it, so I'm going to do staff education, and the reason that I've picked this especially is because it's really difficult to source. So staff education, and what I'm going to write about staff education is I'm going to say the workplace provides training for the staff, and then I'm going to include a screenshot. So this is number 6. I'll need to go down to my screenshot of the type of information and select number 6. And the number 6 that I have chosen is going to be staff education. And my source, I've already looked this up, done a bit of research. I'm going to talk about customs. I know a little bit about customs, so it's easy for me to do. What I have done is I have Control-C, which means that will copy. I've flicked back to the Google document and I'm going to Control-V, which will paste. If I do a spacebar, it will turn it into a hyperlink. It'll make it go blue. So I'm going to the New Zealand Custom website. I've already pre-researched this, and the information that I'm looking for is going to be as a trainee customs officer. So the trainee customs officer information is right here. Now this little extension is called Awesome Screenshot Capture and Annotate. So I'm going to click on this, and I would like to capture the visible part of the page. So I'm going to click on this, and now I'm going to use crop a portion of the screenshot. If I click and drag to select the portion that I want to use, just like so, it will make it go all white. I need to push crop for it to actually complete the work. So why am I doing this? The reason I'm doing this is because I need to prove that I know what I'm looking at. Therefore, I am going to draw my own circle around the bit that proves that this is, not very good at drawing, this is about education. And then I'm going to label it. So I'm going to make an arrow, and then I'm going to write a label. And this little A here is my text. So I'm going to click in the part that I want, and I'm going to write staff education. Okay, I'm done. I am going to save this on Google Drive, and I'm going to use private and save. It's currently uploading to my account. So if I go into my Internet Google document, under my drive, I should have this somewhere in here. Tourism, Internet. There it is under my drive, New Zealand Customs Service. What would a customer career be like? So I'm going to insert this into my document. I'm going to go to my Google document. I'm going to insert a image, and it's going to be from my Google Drive, New Zealand Customs, and I'm going to select go. I have inserted my screenshot of a trainee customs officer, which is under the title of Staff Education. Once I've completed this for all of my table, I then need to submit it to Google Classroom in the instructions in the hyperlink in the purpley blue colour. Have fun!